The Hawaiian koa tree. Majestic. Beautiful. Koa in Hawaiian refers to the strength of the warrior. The koa is one of the most beautiful and valuable hardwoods grown within the United States of America. Fine specimens of the wood can be worth upwards towards $250 a board foot. The wood is exceedingly gorgeous. It has a gem-like quality when it's been cut and polished. It's referred to as chalcedony, like a tiger's eye gem. When you roll a tiger's eye in the sun, it becomes almost holographic. You can look between the iridescence. Koa does the same thing. Roll the grain, and you can literally look inside the grain. It's a very amazing quality. There aren't too many other trees that do this. It's that nice grain. Look at that. Beautiful koa wood. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What a beautiful piece of wood. Last year, the harvest of Koa seed was just terrible. It may have been the volcanic eruption. I'm not sure what interrupted the trees. I'd never seen them fail to fruit before, but there was hardly any seed last year. This year, it is abundant. They're making up for lost time. It's a beautiful harvest. There, you can see how nice the quality of the seeds are this year. Very few duds, and so far, not a lot of Koa seed borer in it either. Good seed. Come on down, we got all the Koa seed you need.